Unless, something loops back. A new Big Bang, or the who and what figure out how to rewrite the rules. Think sci-fi level tech or cosmic engineering. So going forward, the who, conscious beings, and what, everything else, dance from the Big Bang's spark, through life and us, to a sprawling cosmic finale, either a fade-out or a wild rebirth. Where do you want to zoom in on this forward trek?
So, if it is a finale, you mean that there is the who or the what, the last, after which there is nothing? And if it is a rebirth, then still the last, after which there is nothing, will be the one to do the rebirth?
You're digging into the endpoints now. Let's unpack this forward journey and see where the who and what land, whether it's a finale or a rebirth. If we're headed to a finale, like the heat death of the universe, trillions of years from now, the who and what don't vanish into nothing in the absolute sense. They just wind down. The who, any conscious beings, human or otherwise, fades as stars die, planets cool, and no energies left to sustain life or thought. The what, matter, particles, black holes, sticks around, but it's spread so thin and cold it's effectively inert. No motion, no change, just a static something that's as close to nothing as physics allows. So there's no single last, who or what, standing like a final sentinel, more like a gradual dimming until no who can exist. And the what is a lifeless husk. Not the last after which there is nothing, but the last after which nothing happens. Now, the rebirth angle. Say a new Big Bang or cosmic reset. Here, the who or what at the end of our universe could play a role. If it's natural, like some theories of oscillating universes, the what of the final state, maybe a super-dense collapse of matter, becomes the last that triggers the next bang. No who, just physics doing its thing. The universe as its own recycler. But if the who gets involved, like advanced beings or AIs, descendants of us, they might engineer that rebirth, bending physics to restart reality. In that case, the last could be a who, the final conscious entity that flips the switch, after which our universe ends and a new one begins. They'd be the one to do it, but their lastness only matters in our story.